In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and start a new chat with Claude AI. If you're brand new to Claude, you're in the right place. We'll go from opening the website to sending your very first message with simple, clear steps and a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and go to claude.com. Type the address carefully to make sure you're on the official site. Claude works well on modern browsers, so use whichever one you're most comfortable with. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button to create your account. If you already have one, you can choose Sign In, but let's continue as if you're setting things up for the first time. Next, you'll be asked how you want to create your account. You can continue with Google or continue with email. Continuing with Google is quick. Select your Google account and confirm. If you prefer to keep things separate, choose the email option. With email, you'll enter your address and create a strong password. For security, consider using a password manager and avoid reusing passwords on multiple sites. Now follow the on-screen prompts to finish signing up. Depending on what you chose, you may need to verify your account. If you signed up with email, check your inbox for a verification message and click the link inside. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folder. If you used Google, you might be asked to confirm permissions or complete a quick check. Review any notices, accept the terms if you agree, and continue. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start a new chat. Look for a button or icon labeled New Chat and click it. You'll see a text box where you can type your request. Start simple and be clear about what you want. For example, describe your goal, include any key details or constraints, and mention the format you'd like back, such as a list, a summary, or an outline. If the first answer isn't exactly what you need, refine your prompt or ask a follow-up question right in the same conversation. Small clarifications often lead to much better results. That's all there is to it. You opened the site, created and verified your account, and launched your first chat with Claude. From here, explore at your own pace and try a few different prompts to see how Claude can help with writing, planning, learning, or brainstorming. When you're ready, jump back in and start your next conversation.